Ratchet time, incoming news.
We can't find no shorts.
Or shirts. Or shoes.
Or shoes.
Can't find nothing. So. Michelle! Michelle, over here, Michelle! Over here! Over here! Look over here! Come on, Michelle! What are you wearing? Michelle, what are you wearing tonight, Michelle?
Who are you wearing?
Me.
How do you feel to finally get on the red carpet?
Well, I've always been. It's just an imagination.
Nice.
Michelle, right here.
Wise words.
Right here.
Right here, Michelle.
Michelle, right here.
Right here, come on.
The new.
Oh, hi. This is Ratchet Time News with Nora and Michelle.
Yeah.
Today's news is what we've done today. We're here with Sammy, the camera.
Okay, that's enough. She said, fuck this job. Recap of what we've done today. We woke up.
For furniture.
Oh yeah, because we're moving in. Oh, we're walking on the...
Wait, what is this, a horn?
Right, that's what I'm thinking. So, I woke up this morning and woke up Noor and was like, let's go to school because we had to go get something done. And then the lady was like, nah, you can't come to this school. And I was like, skirt. So,
I want to go to Springs.
yeah, Monday we're gonna resolve that problem. Then now we have the issue of that we're looking for surprise outfits for my beautiful party, and it's gonna be super fun. We're currently looking for shorts and a shirt.
No, you come with us.
Yep.
And we're about to go meet my mom so she can give me the
moolah. So yeah.
Ooh,
that's fun.
Look, free cleaner.
Shoe cleaner.
Waiting outside.
AKA Michelle's ass.
Macy's, so I just have to run around. Where's the main entrance for Macy's? Over there. Over there? Yeah.
Yes. I'm not having it.
What's wrong, Michelle?
I'm just not having it.
No? She quits Ratchet time.
Hello.
Michelle grabs her things. She's serious about this. She's literally about to leave it.
Michelle, that's mine.
How do you feel about
I'm
this?
having it with her.
Hello,
You can't. Are you scared?
It's dead. We need to resuscitate it.
It's not. It's just not having it like me.
It's not having it today. Now we're going into the parking lot looking for your mommy because we need moolah.
What car did you have?
I'm sorry, it's too hot outside. I'm going back. Huh?
She says she's almost here. So we could... we just need to stand inside. She's almost
Get out of this sunlight.
For 5 cents a day, you can help the earth plant more trees to give us more air.
Help this sick child.
For 5 cents a day, you can help her from homeless to home. We're currently playing a hide and go seek. We were playing it first, but then Noor called us that she needed her card, so we had to go give it back to her. And then we ran away.
Why does my face look shiny? Is that sweat?
So now we're here. So, we're back.
We never left.
So we're back here.
I just got a smoothie.
Yeah, we're getting smoothies, but since I'm white as fuck, I'm getting a caramel mocha.
I'm getting a slush.
With tapioca. Yeah. So after mall trip, we have not found anything. We did not get no shorts or shirts because we were like, fuck this.
I only got school stuff so far.
School.
I got 3 shirts.
So now we're gonna leave after this and we're gonna
Go to the movies.
eat.
Go to the movies.
Oh wait,
Suicide Squad.
We're gonna Shut up. We're gonna A, go out to eat, or B, go to the movies. I don't know which one's coming first.
We're not going out to eat.
No, like food.
Get food.
So yeah.
I think we're gonna go get food.
Yeah, that'd be cool. So I'm excited for this caramel mocha. We
just got it.
got it. Now we're waiting.
Pero bonitas.
We're waiting for Noor.
It takes forever.
Yeah. And then we're gonna leave. We're probably gonna get food and then go see Suicide Squad. Did you already watch it? Same. But we're gonna watch it again. Because it's a good movie. Y'all need to call that number. This is what we deal with.
The person at the drive-thru.